Hey guys, today we're looking at the Grand Design Transcend 265BH. This might be one of my absolute favorite floor plans. It is the most versatile, I believe, for families, tons of storage, and an excellent layout. Let's jump into it. One thing I really like about this floor plan is it has multiple entryways, a large awning, the nice aluminum siding on the outside. They've changed the outside doors to those glass covers. You can see how much storage there is in the front pass-through. This is a 30 amp trailer. It's got room for two 20-pound propane tanks as well as dual battery setup and an electric front tongue jack. This also comes factory with solar. You can see how nice this coach looks. Really clean design. Now we're going to look at the water hookups. There's your solar charge controller at the top. Really simple design for the water hookups, either tank fill or city water. It's only one switch. Low point drains as well as your black and gray tank drains. I say this on all the trailers, but I would add a slide topper awning cover. One thing about this trailer is it has the Westlake Chinese tires. I would replace those as soon as you can. That's really the only major downside that I see to this trailer, especially for an entry-level model. It's got 4 manual stabilizer jacks on all 4 corners. Tankless hot water heater. It's got the roof ladder to make access and clean off the roof, as well as a gigantic storage in the back. This trailer is not lacking for storage whatsoever. You can see there's a 110 volt plug-in in the back and your spare tire and wheel. Let's go ahead and move inside. You can see as we walk in, you've got a couch directly in front of you, a nice U-shaped dinette. To the right, you've got the kitchen with tons of counter space. There's your control panel for your slide outs, your awnings, your Bluetooth stereo, and your tank levels, as well as lights, inside and outside. And 2 bunks right in the back. Makes it really easy for kids. Storage, which you normally don't get in a lot of trailers, is places to put the kids' clothing. A drawer for each of the steps on full extension drawer glides. A shoe cubby. 2 shoe cubbies. And hanging storage. It's really a great floor plan for families. Each of the kids has a window and a light. With this couch here as well, it also folds out into a sofa. I'll show you that here in a minute. You've got storage below for shoes, extra blankets, board games, whatever you think you may need to haul with you. This couch has a center console, or center armrest rather, with cup holders. Makes it easy for relaxing. You can see here, you just grab the bottom and pull up, and it slides out and also turns into a bed. Nice extra window, 110 volt light, and USB charging. The U-shaped dinette also turns into a bed. The cushions become the flat on top of the bed, or on top of the table, to make it flat for a bed. You've also got storage below both of the benches. Nice pull-out drawer below the fridge. And the 12 volt Furion compressor style fridge that Grand Design is known for. I wish that every manufacturer would switch to these. Give you factory solar as well as a really nice fridge freezer combo with tons of space that gets cold fast and it just operates and it just works. Furnace air conditioning controls right in the living area. Turning around to the kitchen, you can see just how much counter space this trailer has. Tons of prep space. You've got windows on the side that you actually live on so you can see what the kids are doing. Pull-out TV with plug-ins behind. You can aim it towards the kids if they want to watch a movie in bed. You can sit on the couch. You can aim it towards the U-shaped dinette. It's just so functional on a pull-out arm. 2 nice pull-out drawers for silverware or utensils while cooking. Full extension drawer glides again. And a nice large storage compartment below with your breaker panel and fuses. Makes it very easy access. This is a unique floor plan. I don't know if Grand Design is going to be doing this with all of them, but it has a stovetop with the 3 burners. Once again, your front burner is going to be your hottest burner for boiling and things like that. So you can see this one does not have an oven, which I love. It's got 2 giant drawers for storing pots and pans, stock pots, whatever you want to take with you. And a large storage area below the sink for garbage cans or recycle. Large single basin stainless steel sink with a pull down sprayer faucet. Upper cabinets above with a couple of shelves. And another full shelves that wrap all the way around the corner. Because you don't have an oven, you get a convection air fryer microwave, which I think is awesome. We take an air fryer with us because we use it all the time at home. But this one has a built-in air fryer. Now this is only going to work when you're plugged into shore power, but it's an amazing thing to have. It's just easy and convenient. Upper storage above, and a cabinet with 2 more shelves for cups, coffee cups, whatever you think you need to put in there, spices. Moving back towards the bathroom, really nice laid out bathroom. It goes the full width of the trailer, so you really get a lot of space. Nice medicine cabinet with 2 shelves. 110-volt plug for curling irons or hair dryers, and storage underneath the sink for cleaning products or a garbage can. Porcelain toilet with the plastic lids and a standard foot flush. Storage on the side for towels. You can roll up towels or cleaning products. Once again, this trailer is really not lacking for storage at all. I'm 6'4". You can see me standing in the shower. My head does go up inside the skylight, but I have plenty of room. Moving towards the bedroom, you can see the escape window on the left. Storage all the way around the bed, including up above. And a really large storage compartment below the bed. We use that for a fold-up table, chairs, things like that that are too big to fit in your pass-through. Nice hanging compartment storage on either side of the bed that goes way deep, and a full pull-out extension drawer glide on that bottom drawer. You've got USB chargers as well as a 110-volt plug, so if you have a CPAP or anything like that, there's a small shelf. And that's on both sides of the bed. They're both the same. TV location for in the bedroom if you decide you want one. And a skylight with a vent. This does have the instant hot water heater. As you can see, it's in the bathroom. The controls are in the bathroom to control that. As you can see, I really love this floor plan. It is, I believe, the most versatile that Grand Design makes for entry level. It's a really unique floor plan that you can really do a lot with. It's not lacking for storage. Has tons of sleeping space for kids or families. It's really an excellent floor plan. If you guys are interested in this one, it's located at Lazy Days, or any Grand Design dealer I'm sure can get it for you. This is the Transcend 265BH. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if there's another floor plan you guys would like to look at. We'll see you in the next one.